Probate real estate might sound complicated, but it's simpler than you think. It's just property that's part of an estate when someone passes away. Here's the thing. A surprising number of real estate transactions, about 1 in 10, actually involve probate properties. That's huge. So whether you're buying or selling, understanding probate can give you a real edge. Probate is the legal process of distributing a deceased person's assets. This includes their house, which is often their most valuable asset. When a property goes through probate, it means the court oversees the sale to ensure it's done fairly and legally. This process is important because it protects both the heirs and the buyers. It ensures everything is handled above board, giving everyone peace of mind. That's why it's crucial to have a basic understanding of how it works. Knowing the ins and outs of probate can be a game changer in the real estate world. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time homebuyer, being informed is key.
The probate process might seem intimidating, but it's manageable, especially with the right guidance. The first key player is the executor, who's appointed by the court or named in the will. This person is responsible for handling the estate, including the sale of any property. The executor works closely with the court to follow all the necessary legal steps. This process includes identifying and valuing assets, paying off debts, and ultimately distributing the remaining assets according to the will. The court oversees everything to make sure it's all done by the book. They ensure the executor is acting in the best interest of the estate and the beneficiaries. It's a system designed to be fair and transparent. Understanding the probate process is crucial for both buyers and sellers. It helps everyone involved know what to expect, making the whole process smoother and less stressful.
Finding probate properties isn't as hard as you might think. One of the best places to start is by checking public records at the county courthouse. These records are open to the public, so you can search for properties currently in probate. Another option is to work with a real estate agent who specializes in probate sales. These agents have access to databases and networks that can help you find these properties more easily. Online platforms dedicated to probate real estate are also popping up. These websites often provide detailed information about properties, making your search even more convenient. Remember, information is key in real estate. By utilizing these resources, you can get a head start in finding great deals on probate properties. Buying a probate property can be a fantastic opportunity to get a great deal. Because these properties are often priced to sell quickly, you might find a hidden gem at a lower price than comparable properties.
However, it's important to be aware of potential challenges. Title issues, for example, are more common with probate properties. It's crucial to have a real estate attorney review all documents and ensure a clear title before you buy. For sellers, maximizing the value of an inherited property is key. This might involve staging the home, making minor repairs, or working with the executor to negotiate a fair price.
Working with a probate real estate agent can be incredibly beneficial for both buyers and sellers. They understand the intricacies of the process and can help you navigate potential pitfalls, making the entire transaction smoother. Probate real estate, when handled correctly, presents unique opportunities for both buyers and sellers. It's a specialized area of real estate, and having the right team on your side is essential.
Whether you're considering buying a probate property or need to sell an inherited home, seek out Team McLain. Professionals with proven experience and a deep understanding of the probate process in your area.
Team McLain can guide you through every step, from finding properties and negotiating deals to handling paperwork and ensuring a smooth closing. Their knowledge and expertise can save you time, money, and potential headaches.
Remember, knowledge is power in real estate. By working with Team McLain and understanding the nuances of probate, you can turn this often overlooked area of the market into a profitable and stress-free experience.